My lords, you have just taken the oath to assume office as honorable justices of the Court of Appeal. It is a solemn pledge and, of course, commitment to good conduct in the course of your adjudication, especially as senior judicial officers in the appellate court. We're not here for long speeches, but simply to realign your minds with what is expected of you at this very high and enviable level of adjudication. Many high-profile cases will definitely come to you on appeal, and they may likely come in some juicy and irresistible gifts that are often intended to dent your reputation and integrity. I admonish you so that your lordship should flee from such disguised temptations, because your reputation and integrity matter much and count enormously in your rise to honor and fame in life. So, you should endeavor to always hold your heads high by auditing your conduct on a regular basis in order not to fall on the wrong side of the law. I've said it several times that in life, gifts and wealth that are not worked for, which are by extension undeserving, are always destructive and calamitous in nature. I pray that your lordship don't fall into such snare in the course of your ascension to the pinnacle of your career. You must, against all odds, conduct your affairs within the ambit of the law and the oath that you have just been administered on you. The level of public scrutiny of your conduct will, henceforth, assume astronomical dimension, because you have willingly taken up appointment that will strategically place you perennially in the eye of the storm. The tempo and the rate of public assessment of your conduct and the disposition have also instantaneously assumed unprecedented spike from this moment. You must redouble your effort and dialogue properly with your conscience in order not to fall out of the grace of the Almighty God and the Nigerian people who are curiously looking up to you. It takes nothing to join the crowd, but it takes a lot to stand alone with good conscience. The number of justices that we have just sworn in today is, of course, one of the highest in recent history of the Court of Appeal, since after swearing in an unprecedented number of 18 justices on Monday, the 28th day of June 2021, following that of 12 justices that were sworn in on Monday, the 5th day of November 2012. Today's ceremony is an indication of the times that we are currently in. Several novel crimes are being committed in the country that have now made litigations to go on a steady rise. Political cases, especially, are taking a monumental toll on our dockets. Indeed, the times we are in are not pleasant, to say the least. No court in the land is spared of this. We are constantly on our toes, and the dockets are ever rising in response to the challenges of the time. This, of course, underscores the undisputed fact that Nigeria continuously ranks among the most litigious countries in the world. I strongly believe it is high time we began to imbibe the culture of less litigation and more of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, so that our courts can be freed of unnecessary burden and depletion of both human and material resources. However, the onus squarely rests on your lordships to fasten your belt and roll up your sleeves to face the challenges head on. You must redouble your pace to catch up with the expectations of the litigants. As judicial officers, you have a divine mandate on earth that you must discharge with unveiled honesty and sincerity. You must give good account of yourselves to justify your elevation to the Court of Appeal, so that you can subsequently earn an elevation to the Supreme Court to further actualize your dreams. My lords, I congratulate you all for your well-deserved appointments, and I wish you the very best that you can achieve in this strategic position you occupy. Thank you all, and may God bless you.